Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another awesome video. So today in this video, I installed a remote turn-on switch, and this is the first test. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna lean back in my bed. All right, so let's do this. So let's see. I gotta find my. Is that it? There it is. All right, we're gonna turn our voltage down. Turn our voltage down like that. Here's the little switch, little switcheroo. It's on the off position. Turn this thing on. As you can see, amp shouldn't come on. Resting at about 14 volts. Nicely. So we're gonna boost the voltage up to, I don't know what should we do it. Around 15, maybe 16. There we go. And now, as soon as we turn this switch on, I will be doing a little box for this thing, just so it looks a little nicer. We should just, alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so cool! Oh, and it works too! Oh! Yo, that's so cool. And so basically, there it is. Alright, so then, that is so freaking cool. It is so dope. Yo, that is cool. Okay, so I'm going to gain my voltage up to 16.5. There we go. Yo, that is so dope. Is it gonna do it, or did I turn the voltage up too much? I think I turned it up too much. That is so cool. $16.5. All right. Still too high a voltage. Darn it. Okay, let's turn the voltage up to, well, let's not turn it up, but well, it should be all right. We'll do it to 16 point whatever that is. 16.3, let's see. Yeah, 16.3 seems to work. I might try and see if I can get that thing to 16.4, because maybe that, I think my amp will operate 16.4. That's 16.3, so now I should be able to do 16.4. If I can get my thing. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a little too high. That's way too high. Might have to just leave it at 16.3. That's cool, though. That is really cool. There we go. Alright. Nice. Getting good voltage. Everything. So now I don't have to always come up to this thing and be like, oop, you know, turn down my voltage. Now I can just chillax on my bed.